Namaste and welcome to Home Health Hacks, where forced isolation will result to extreme sexiness. Today, we are going to be talking about face masks. So what is a face mask? A face mask is anything that you apply on the epidermis, that's the outermost layer of the skin, and obviously on the face. It can be anything from one of those things that you peel off your face or something that you just simply wash off. So the main question is, how effective is a face mask? Well, it's similar to studying, similar to like an exam. How often do you study for your exam? If you've just studied on the last day, it affects, the knowledge is only going to last you for that day. If you use it more often, your skin, your epidermis will sort of get used to the materials that you keep adding, and so it will retain more of them for a longer period of time. So we're gonna make a face mask with whatever's available in your kitchen right now. Are you ready? Are you ready, Wushu? Let's go. So I'm in the kitchen where I'm usually not allowed, and we're gonna need for this some Dahi, some Haldi, honey, and Aloe Vera. Let's go. So we're gonna take about a spoon of Dahi and just drop it pretty freely in a container. Then we're gonna take a pinch of Haldi, say about this much, and drop that in as well. Then we are gonna take a nice little amount of honey. Honey is amazing for any part of your face, any part of your skin. And then we're also gonna put in some aloe vera. Now, if you don't have any of these ingredients, or you have something that may not be used over here, just let me know in the comments and I'll help you out. We'll talk about it. And all you gotta do is mix this up. And voila! Your face mask is ready. Right now is the most fun part. That is the application. So all you're gonna need is like a paintbrush, or even your finger will do. And just drop it in and pop, and start up. Ooh, that feels good. And just start applying it. And literally paint your face. It's gonna be a little yellow, so you're gonna not maybe want to sleep or lie down, or be anything that that you don't want to dirty, right?
1 hour later.
And boom! Right, even I expected for a second that there will be an astronomical change, but the truth is that we will change, albeit a little slowly. Right, give this a shot if you're sitting at home, which I know you are, and just see what it does to your skin. Your complexion actually goes one notch a little lighter, and you become clean, and you can really see this. Try this, let me know how it went.